So this is task 3 and 4 of our March assignment. We're in our word processing folder and looking at our March assignment folder that you're going to share with me. So we've got 4 documents so far. We've got task 1, task 2, Word documents and their PDF counterparts. Now, the assignment starts to get a little bit different to what you're used to doing. We have to show a print screen of a website we have looked up to help me to learn how to insert a table of contents into Word 2019 document. So you're basically proving you can look stuff up without the help of a teacher. And this is how the best way I could think of how you could prove that. So I'm going to go Google that question, how to insert a table of contents into a Word 2019 document. Press enter. And then I'm going to go to a website that shows me how to insert a table of contents. So you have to put a print screen of this website into the document. Now you can either use the snipping tool or you can press print screen on your keyboard. And that lives above your insert key, which is near your numbers key. And often it says PRT, SCR. And when you do that, it actually takes a copy of the screen of what's in front of you. And if you remember in task 1, we made a print screen document that's still sitting there waiting for me to use. So I'm going to Control V. And what happens is it pastes in the print screen or the picture of my PC screen that I was looking at. So that's the first thing that we need to put in, and then we press return underneath the picture. Now the next thing, we have to Google another thing. Paste the screenshot of the relevant section of the website into the print screens document. Then we have to learn how to insert footnotes into a 2019 document. So right click, copy that sentence, Google it, press enter, find a website, Microsoft website, how to insert footnotes and endnotes, that'll do. Press print screen on your keyboard and go back into your print screen document, press Control V or right click paste, and then that pastes my proof of me looking up that website. The next thing we have to do is show proof of using the search file facility by showing a print screen of you searching for your file, class code, your name, task 1. So I'm going to go into, so the next one is we have to show proof that I can look for a file. And the file I need to look for is the one I was using for this assignment. So this one is called CLS Julianne Hickey task 1. So what I'm going to do is show that I'm looking in all files, and I'm going to type in CLS Julianne Hickey task 1, and then I'm going to press the blue arrow, and then hopefully it's going to show me results. Yeah, so it shows me a result of my CLS Julianne task 1. So we just need to show a print screen of that, of you searching in the search bar, your class code, whatever it is for you, your full name, task 1, the title you were asked to name your document in the assignment, print screen document, go underneath the picture that we just put in and paste. And then that shows proof of me looking for my file in my OneDrive. And the last thing, show proof of looking up the details of a file by showing a print screen of you looking up the details of your file, class code, blah, detailing the file path. So we found it here, okay? And the way we do a detail is by clicking on it but not opening it. And on the right side, there's a more details section here. So you can either print screen or you can snip. I'm just going to print screen to show the details of this file, and it's called the Julianne Hickey Task 1 file. It is a doc file. It was modified an hour ago. It was created an hour ago. The path is there, the original location is there, and the size is there. So that's perfect. It's exactly what we've been asked to do. So press enter and press paste. So another way you can go in to find the details of processing, my March assignment, and if we click on the 3 dots of the task 1 file and click on details, it appears here on the right, and if you scroll to the bottom, more details is there. And I'm scrolling using my mouse wheel, or you can scroll using the side pulley downy uppy down bar there. And you just need to reveal this section. It is the end of task 3. We want to make sure we're saved our print screens. So file, save as, download a copy, and put that into our March assignment folder. Remember, the upload thing's gone, but if I click on the white, it appears. So upload file, and we're looking for my March assignment print screens, it's called. Show you. Yeah, there we go. So now I've got my March assignment print screens. And then the last file management. So the last part is task 4, file management. And what we just need to do is make sure in our folder it's called the right name. It has our task 1 Word and PDF. It has task 2 Word and PDF. And it has our March assignment print screens in it. Okay, so we've got our track changes proof. We've got our table of contents word search, footnotes website search, our searching for our document proof, and our details of the document itself proof. So that's the what should be on your print screen document. And then the file itself, the folder itself should have 5 documents in it. Task 1 and the PDF, task 2 and the PDF, and the print screens. And that is the end of your assignment, would you believe it? And make sure that you are going to share this with me. So you're going back to the word processing folder and you're sharing this folder. And remember, once you've shared the folder, you can change whatever you want inside the folder, and then I will still see those changes inside it. You don't need to reshare. So there's my email saying that Julianne has shared the assignment with me, and that's the end of our task 3 and 4. Well done.